Hi, my name is Mahalia. I'm a naturopathic doctor, and today I am here to talk about backyard medicine, which is my way of explaining the notion that the medicine that we need actually does grow around us. Here I am in the park across the street from my office, and the herb I wanted to talk about today is Motherwort. Motherwort literally means mother's herb, and that is, in fact, one of the areas where it shines. It is a great herb to use postpartum. Think of it also when there is a heart involvement. So it's great for heart palpitations. It is also great for anxiety. So think postpartum, a woman is overwhelmed, she's got a lot of hormones going on, her uterus needs some support, and her blood pressure might be elevated because that's common postpartum. Motherwort is a great choice in that situation. But don't think of it only as a women's herb, because the Latin name of motherwort is Leonurus cardiaca. That means lion heart. Motherwort is a great herb for the heart, and it shines in bringing down blood pressure for men as well, especially when there's anxiety as part of the picture. So think of motherwort for transition times in a woman's life, for heart support, and for nervous system support. Here is motherwort. Let's introduce you to her in person. So you can see that her leaves are kind of three-pointed, and her stem is square. Can you see that the stem is actually very square? This is characteristic of plants in the mint family. They often have a square stem, or always have a square stem. And the flowers are just starting at the base of the stem. They'll be a pinky purpley color. They're very pretty and a little bit spiky. I often get asked by people when they're learning about herbs and getting to know them in their own neighborhood, can I make tea with it? And the answer is, I really don't recommend you make tea with this one. It is quite bitter, which means good things in terms of its actions on the liver, but it does not make a tasty tea. So I recommend you use this one as a tincture, and I recommend you consult with somebody before dosing it for yourself, particularly if you have thyroid issues. Motherwort can decrease thyroid function, which is great if it's elevated, but wouldn't be good for long-term use if you already had low thyroid function. Motherwort isn't considered safe in pregnancy, but is great during breastfeeding. And for more about motherwort and other backyard medicines, as well as more about the healing that I offer in my practice, please see drmahaliafried.com. That's drmahaliafreed.com. Thank you and be well.